pretty sure they're blowing 2 whistles. Go. You hit? Yeah, boy. Corey, go, cover. Go. Hey. Let's go. Who shit himself? Me. Nice, thank you all over. Fire! Come on! Reloading! Oh man, that sounds cool. Corey. Get over here, man. Get over here, that one. Move up, Johnny. David, you're next. Give me your head. There. Danny, see that cover down there?
Where are you?
Whoa, we got movement right.
Who's on the right?
I don't know, someone moving through the bushes. Aye. Reloading.
Terrible angle.
Fucking heat's killing me, man.
Aye. Alright, Danny. Alright. Yep.
Where's Cormac? Is he still up there?
Cormac's here, he's alive.
Are you alive, Cormac?
You can't shoot anyone though.
Why not?
I cannot be good on my gun. Good stuff. Is there anyone else behind that pallet? No.
Go back. He's hot.
Wrong, Cormac.